This video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware, which is called Buybackdate. Buybackdate is a special ransomware that is able to considerably damage the files that people store on their computers. Before the ransomware attack, of course, there are no troubles opening any file types, pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. All that can be opened easily without troubles. Regretfully, because of certain existing leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Buybackdate ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device, so then it is not possible to use the files anymore because of this horrible ransomware called Buybackdate. The ransomware would encrypt the files and damage them essentially. So the ransomware, after encrypting the files, appends a special random extension which actually is presented in the form of some unique identifier, which may be random, of course. The ransomware then tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that your data would be restored, so do not pay the ransom. Also, keep in mind that my video is for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this horrible ransomware. I'm just showing you the damage that can be caused by this ransomware. So it's not possible to use the files anymore. We recommend you to immediately remove this horrible ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best solution to get it is on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and click on Start Scan button. Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your system. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats and you will be able to know their exact locations. Keep in mind that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt the data which was damaged. Combo Cleaner only removes this ransomware effectively, and it also helps to protect your data from being damaged in the future. This is thanks to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware, which allows you to add certain folders which will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But once again, Combo Cleaner would not restore your data. It is not possible. Please consider Combo Cleaner Premium as the best solution to remove this ransomware and to protect your data in the future.